case, you can see this this hot spot. Okay, and let's go ahead and we can take them all down. We can find out where the sun's chilling. And it ain't chilling; it's just kicking it right below the clouds here. Okay, for real, that's crazy. We'll just go lights out. You get a different perspective of it here. What I'm trying to show you is you can get a perspective of where the sun is at. Okay? Take a good look at this. So a perspective. Pretend like you're looking at, let's say you're at the corner down at the city. And you're on the corner looking at a big old tall skyscraper. And let's say it was built right on the corner as a sidewalk. So as you was looking at the sidewalk, it'd be splitting your eyes, if the building would be. Okay? So it would tee off like a baseball diamond or something. Now look what you see where the sun is setting. Okay? And you have your hot spot. That's home plate. Okay? Now look at your diamond ball base. Look at it. You got a diamond now. You got a pitcher. You got an outfield. I mean, but the only thing you don't got is a shortstop, but whatever. You see it, right? That's crazy. Yep. There's no joke. So the sun is right there. That just proved the sun right there. The sun is right there. It's right there. Now I'll bring the sun back. Oh yeah. Now you got to see a little bit different. But yeah, I could bring it out that way anyways. But you see what I'm saying? How light plays tricks on you. So I just showed you where it was and what it was doing. I even got more than that. I got more than that. I'll go here to my pictures. Look at right here. To show them. There we go. Yep. Actually, let's go here. Okay. So this was a picture. Same, not at that time, but it's a different time too. There's just 3 hours of lofting through the air, and this was one of the shots I got here from the sun. And as you can see, we have a spectrum here, and then we also have the spectrum of where the light's hitting on from the disk. And then we have, so this is the sun right here in the middle. And then we got, this is the magnosphere. Right here's what you're seeing. That's the magnosphere of the sun. You can clearly see it. This is no joke. And the sun's right there. I mean, I don't know how much closer I could be to the sun. It's almost right there. Pretty damn close. You can see the hot spot right up in here. Right up in here. Look. Boom. Okay. Like right up in there. Right up in here. Boom. Right here. And And you can see that the sun works off of some magnetic, I would say, you can see this center point here, and where it gives off right here, and then it reflects. I mean, I don't know what all this stuff is through here. I don't know, some experts, but obviously the experts ain't even showing you this. And I got something else kind of weird down in here. This just kind of showed up. This thing here. I don't know what the hell that is. I'm not even playing it. Literally just like showed up. So that's weird. I can show you other pictures and that ain't there. They just showed up. Yeah, and like this thing here. I don't know. It's kind of different shape going on here. I don't know. It's in the clouds. Let me show you another picture. So yeah, oh yeah, the electromagnet, you can see it right here where it's coming out of here. But I got some other weird pictures. These are actual photographs, okay? Photographs. These are photographs. All right. Got this one. This is an interesting one here. This almost looks like a, what would you call it? They call that up. I forget what they call that. Never mind. Anyhow, you can see how strange this is. Even like this has all got some connection through here. See? I mean, that's pretty wild. And you have this beginning and ending here. I don't know what this is, to be honest with you, but to me, what it looks like the spectrum of Earth's universe, and it looks like the magnosphere of pretty much what's in here. That's what it looks like to me. I mean, the sun kind of looking weird right here. It's distorted. It almost looks like shoot, that almost looks like some type of flashlight, to be honest with you. Like, look at that. That's creepy. That's weird. I don't even know. Yeah, these are the pictures I took, and there's obviously some reflection here. So this might be, as everyone's saying, the dome. Yeah, I don't know, but that's some interesting stuff. Like this thing just popped up here. I mean, this ain't the only one I got. It keeps going, and this dot right here, this is there. This moves around with the sun and changes colors. Looks like a zit or something, or a pimple. That's a real thing. It follows the sun, as I will show you, because we keep going. Okay. and it's got some 3D shading up in here and a little bit in here. I don't know. There's obviously some mirrors or something going on, or I want to say some parabolic mirrors going. And clearly there is somewhere something that's definitely happening. I would speculate that for sure. This is what I'm seeing anyways when I'm taking these pictures. Here's another one right here. A little bit further away from the sun. This is a weird, like, this almost looks, to me, it looks like an eye or something up in here, but whatever. Yeah, this is interesting. Yeah, that's all I can say right now for this. This kind of just tripped me out when I was getting these shots. Here's another picture of what we discussed earlier. Sun. You got the. I mean, that's all original color right there. I did nothing. That's legit. Definitely got more here. Let's go through some of them. Let's go through all of them real quick. I'll show you. And you can see here the atmosphere right here. I mean, it looks like I'm up in the damn ISS. Like, for real. It's crazy. It's kind of crazy. And you can see it has this disc formation. It's not. It almost looks like it rolls up too. It rolls up. So let's go through some of these. See here? This looks like a tidal wave coming at me or something. Like it rolls up. It's like you can almost see the dome with the way this fragmenting goes, or this this fragmentation of the light. I would say moving through the atmosphere, depending on whatever. Well, from where you're at, I would suppose, yeah, you're gonna get the lighting is gonna be different wherever you're at to the sun. So your spectrum gonna change everything. And I'm pretty close. And as you can see here, here's this is an interesting one because I see here you got a star and it pokes out the star here and makes a white color, and this kind of looks like a dish here, and then you got a whole nother, you got two other ones popping out right here, doubling up something, I don't know. Anyways, and this one is repeating itself. This one's interesting. Let's see here. Yeah, I just find it interesting. It's a trip. I've never seen anything, pictures like this before. I've never seen anything like it. Anyhow, keep going. Here, this changed it, switched it up a little bit here. Those look like satellites to me, like if I was to think that was a satellite on the ground, but it's color, and it's moving through the air and spectrum. You can, I mean, I'm catching this light moving through the air. It's pretty wild. Or refracting, or Yeah. See, you can see where the source is coming from. It's bringing it down to like a. I mean, that looks like the death ray. Look at that thing, a colorful rainbow bright death ray. It's crazy. Mm, fucking Care Bear stare. Shit, I don't know. Look at that. It looks just wild. So this is obviously electromagnetic. It almost looks like there's some type of like element right here. Some type of, I don't know, um, coil. It looks like to me. I mean, that thing looks just like, what is that? The French flower, the phyllis. Yeah, I mean that's got some magnosphere movement to it there. It's coiled. It's pretty interesting. Maybe I just might be tripping, but I mean, how do you get something like that right there? Look, that's all original. They didn't do anything. It's crazy. I mean, how do you just, yeah. Mm. I mean, look how many rings we getting off of this. And this is supposed to be the sun. Now, this might just be coming through. What I'm thinking too, if it's the dome, right? Because you can kind of see how we got color right here. We got color right here. And once you're in the sun way, you know, it different rises. But you can see over here where it's blue, darker blue, darker blue, darker blue, darker blue, right? And then there's a real cut right through here. Boom. So, and then what I'm thinking these rings are is maybe the light reflecting through, piercing through the dome. And then this is what you get here. Right here. Like Madonna said, the ray of light. I don't know. Madonna said anyway. And look what you got here again. You got this little dot again. You got another one right here. And this one like in the shape of a diamond or something. Right here, it's a cube almost. It's a cube or a diamond. It kind of, you know, you see it. Anyways, it changes shape when you go in and out, blah, 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 move around. It's kind of trippy to me. And you got something going on right here. So you didn't even change the color even through my screen. When I roll up on it, like, can you see what I'm saying? It's kind of crazy. Yeah. If you roll up on it different, it start looking different too. Like it kind of morphs in a way. Anyways, you can clearly see what's going on here. I mean, that looks like a, well, what do they call that? A moon pie? Is that where they got that from then? The moon pie? It looks just like a moon pie. It looks just like a moon pie, dude. Someone took a motherfucking bite out of that shit. Oh, it really does, dude. That's fucking funny. Oh, wow. Anyways. Here we go. We got some more sky. And I was noticing it looks almost like, you know, waves in the ocean right here. I mean, it looks like I'm up like on the ISS or this is crazy. This is just wild. This is wild. This is wild. I was going to show you the pictures, but I mean, yeah, I can show you, I can go back to my video and show you too. And I mean, this just looks, you know what this little ball here and this light shining reminds me of? It reminds me of the beginning of the movies when they show the Statue of Liberty and then they go into the bright light shining down from the Liberty. That's what that reminds me of. All of that. The cup she holding on right there, all of that. That's what that reminds me of right there. There, there's a little peak, all this, the little peak they made on all of it. It was just like, it looks just like it. And that looks like a moon pie. Oh, and here's this. Look at it. Here this thing is again. Look at it. This is weird. I don't know what the hell that is. It just appears there. Here's the blue dot again. Blue dot. I mean, what's going on here? Maybe this isn't the sun. Maybe it's a government-made thing. For all I know, it could very well be it. That reminds me of a laser pointer, right there, laser pointer. So yeah, and right here, here it is. This is again, but it moved right here. Yeah, something in the clouds here. As you can see, that it's got shape to it. Some weird shape to it going on. Anyways, it's kind of a weird shape to be having in a cloud, I think. Yep. You got this coil looking thing again. That thing looks like a, I don't know. Here we go. We got some more. Just show you what I got. These are more translucent and colorings, and you can tell how this thing just takes different shapes. And this almost looks like two stars colliding in a way. So if you saw like one exploding, or you see that like the half sphere is blowing away from it, like right here, and then right here, and then the sun's in, then whatever sun. That's the sun supposedly right there. That's the sun. So sun's white, you know, when you're close to it, but there's all this color going on. You got your moon pie, you got your fish corky, your Laffy Taffy. Fuck, I don't know. It's wild. Just find that wild. Is that it? I think that was the last one. Yeah, that was the last one. That was my last pictures. So this, okay. Okay. So this is just fires right here. They look flat to me. But I'm noticing when I play with the shade with the shading and stuff that if I'm close to the sun, that's what it gives me. You can see where the sun's at right here, or where it's throwing light. I mean, it'll take a genius to figure that one out. I mean, it may, but maybe I'm a genius. I don't know. Yeah, but I mean, I can speed it up to here if you want. Whatever. I'll show you where I was getting that. Here. Yeah, and like that and slow. So this is where I was getting some of these spectrums from. And right in here, see that? Right there, boom. And I found that interesting because I wasn't getting it before. That's pretty crazy. That's pretty wild. So maybe something's cloaked and next to the sun, for all I know. Because I would catch some. I got some pictures of some white discs next to the sun when I was on ground level with a really good camera I got, and it was kind of wild. And I also got another recording, a live recording with the moons. There's about, it shows about 3 of them, and it shows 2 really well, definitely 2, and they spinning and exchanging spots. So one's going in and one's going out, like the wheels are turning. And I don't know tomorrow. You know, the wheel in the sky keeps on turning. That's exactly what it looked like. And when I was looking at it, this was near. It was nighttime. I do have it up on Rumble. Anyhow, it was coming off as a hologram, and it would be like double vision. So not only did you see 2 of them, you got double vision. There was definitely 2 of them there, and you could see it come out from behind like the clouds and stuff. And it was kind of interesting how that worked. And then it was like it was blanketed with some type of cloaking, for sure, some type of cloaking going on, because you could, anyways. So this is what I was playing with here: a weather balloon and a camera. Yep, that's a weather balloon and camera. Yes, sir. I'll just speed it ahead for you a little bit here. And I was going to play around with some more of this data or some more of this stuff. And see what I can get. But I mean, I mean, that's all NASA's doing. Man, that's crazy, dude. Seriously? What do I got? I mean, all the Globers giving me a bunch of crap about satellites and you know, and they stitch it all together and put it on a disc. Come on now, seriously. I mean, I could do the same damn thing. Really, I could right now. Pretty much do the same thing if I wanted to. It's pretty funny. I mean, whatever. But yeah, this is Earth. This is better be Earth. Yeah. And it starts to descend here. Let's get lower and lower. But you can see as the light travels even through the clouds how it contorts it and gives it a different look. And well, this because there's electricity running through there. There's electricity running through the sky. 100%. There ain't no doubt about that. The reason why it's blue is because everyone says it's because of the sea. Well, that may be part of it, but plasma, I think. And also my speculation of nobody knows, but the dome sky, that could be the blue ice as well, and that could be the reason why it gets cold up there. You know, deflates balloons because it gets cold, just like if you were to put a balloon in some dry ice, some water. You put the balloon in there, the scientists would out at school, and then it suck back in. Same scenario, although you just go in the opposite direction. You put the cups upside down, the balloon's going into it. So that's what. But those pictures were tripping me out. So yeah, it's just descending and coming down. You can see it. The contrails, as they say. You're right. You can see where they put some of them, and they even higher than some of them higher than me. Like, look, that's the things above me. Well, I was up there, but anyhow, it's just coming down. So, yeah. Anyways, I hope you like what I had. Well, and if you didn't, oh well. Leave me leave me some of your thoughts. I'm kind of interested on what y'all thought. And um, my name's Couch Ninja, so that's just who I am. Anyways, thanks for joining, and yeah, peace out.